Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video. Today I'm going to be playing on my main, and so let's just log in. Oh, I can just bring it down a bit so that it's actually... Hold on a second. I'm just going to get the screen correct. And I have 30,000 more fame, so guys, please help me out here. Can you guys, give me orders and greets, please? Because it's what I really need. I will be returning orders. And I just better let people know that I'm recording. Well, I will make... So I don't know what to do. We'll just go into a chat room or something. We should, expose gold diggers. Yeah, I'm gonna expose gold diggers. It's like this thing going on YouTube if no one knows, so. Anybody? Okay, anyone want to greet? Check my stat. Oh guys, you know what else we should do? We should see if people would rather hang out with Kitty Cat Meow or a noob. I accidentally wrote blue. Oh. I can't really not talk in the chat room, so that's kind of what it's called, chat room. Go to something else. See if we can expose any more gold diggers. What level? Oh, level 8. Like what? You look level 19, but now it's level 8. Oh, hey! This is Koi Banana. Everyone friend her. She's, my sister. well, stepsister. Not you, huh? Him. Move! No, they both three. Well, let's see if we can expose more. Well, actually, a better way to expose it would be to go on my backup too, so let's go into a chat room. Actually, no, we're going to the same one that I'm in. Let's just hope they don't freeze. Oh, yeah. Bye guys, it's bedtime for me now.